Hi, our project name is Automated Tweets powered by BeagleBone AI. Our team members are Kavyan, Harnoor, Dayon, and Faraz. Our project leverages the IoT capabilities of the BeagleBone AI board to create an interactive Twitter trivia bot. The system is designed to automatically generate trivia questions every 5 minutes, and the Twitter followers, can interact with these trivia questions, and then the poll can gather these responses. This allows to build an engagement on the social media platform, namely Twitter or X. Twitter bot offers a unique and entertaining way for Twitter users to test their knowledge and have fun with the Twitter platform. While we were studying BeagleBone AI IoT capabilities, we came across some other features or other use cases. Some of the use cases are smart home automation. So basically, we can use BeagleBone AI to create a smart home system, such as control lights or thermostats. We can also make a healthcare application, such as using the IoT solutions of BeagleBone. We can monitor the patient, or we can track medical equipment and also manage health data as well. Additionally, it allows us to monitor environmental data, such as we can track air quality or we can track the soil conditions. And another important use case is the ability to implement machine learning algorithm, which we can use for image recognition, speech processing, or other predictive measures. The last one that we are using, the content scheduler, is the ability of the board to connect to IoT to create a content scheduler that automates the process of creating content at specific intervals.
So in order to run our Twitter bot on the board, there were a few software requirements as well as hardware requirements. The hardware requirements included buying a mini SD card, and because none of our devices was compatible with mini SD, we had to buy an adapter as well, and a USB-C cable to connect the board to our devices. Other than that, the BeagleBone AI was thankfully provided by the school itself. In terms of software, uh, well, you need a Linux distribution to in order for the board to operate in the first place, and that is why you can download the latest Debian image from this website here, and this is the one that corresponded to our board specifically. And after downloading the image, you can also download this software over here that allows you to flash it onto your SD card, and then you can put that onto your into your board to install it. You will also need a Twitter developer account. It's really easy to make. You just need a Twitter account, and then you go to Twitter developers. It's pretty straightforward. After there, we've gone into much more detail in the report on how to make one. After that, after logging in, you go to your dashboard. There's already a default project. From there, you can go into to the app that comes inside the project and set the authentication settings up. You just need to give it read and write permissions, specify what kind of app it is, which here it's a web app. I'm sorry, it's a bot, and also give it the twitter.com URL for these two fields. And you can also get the keys and tokens from here. That will come in handy in our Python code. Um, Also, because the Python code that we wrote uses the requests and the request API and the Tweepy, request library and the Tweepy API, we're gonna have to install those on the board. But right, since I don't have access to the board right now, I'm just gonna have to do it on my own terminal. But ideally, you would have to do it on the Cloud9 IDE's terminal. But all you have to do is pip install 2EP, but I already have it installed probably. Yeah, already satisfied. What else? And also pip install requests. I should also have that installed. Yeah. Yeah, those were the only software requirements pretty much. And the working code itself is a pretty simple code. It's just one file, 63 lines. Um, uh, it's pretty straightforward. The name of the functions pretty much explain the functionality of the methods. Here you get the questions from the Open Trivia database, and you shuffle it here, shuffle the choices here, so that answers aren't always the same option. And over here you can authenticate using the API keys, and then run the main function, which is the play trivia and tweet function. That it's just a while loop, and it keeps playing trivia, sends out questions, waits for 5 minutes, and then sends another question, sends another trivia tweet. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Let's explore some of the challenges we encountered and the solutions that kept us on track. Our first challenge was related to limited internet access for the BeagleBone AI. The university's public internet posed constraints hindering direct access. To overcome this, we implemented a practical solution. We utilized a mobile hotspot, enabling the BeagleBone AI to establish connections with external services such as the Twitter API. Another hurdle we encountered involved hardware issues with some of the BeagleBone devices in the lab. The first board failed to connect to the laptop, and the second board wouldn't even power on. Troubleshooting led us to the solution of just replacing the problematic boards with functional ones. This allowed us to bypass the issues and continue with our project seamlessly. The use of our mobile hotspot, while effective, introduced its own set of challenges. The potential for connectivity issues arose, especially if the mobile device powering the hotspot was turned off. To address this, we adjusted the phone settings to prevent it from turning off during prolonged inactivity. Despite the limitations, leveraging a mobile hotspot provided a practical workaround for our project needs. In conclusion, this project successfully harnessed the Internet of Things IoT capabilities of the BeagleBone AI board to create a dynamic and engaging Twitter trivia bot. By integrating the Open Trivia database and leveraging the Cloud9 IDE hosted on the BeagleBone AI, the system autonomously delivers trivia questions to Twitter followers, fostering interactive engagement through polls. The project exemplifies the adaptability of IoT technology in enhancing social media interactions, offering a unique and entertaining experience for users within Twitter. The interactive nature of the Twitter Trivia bot not only aligns with the contemporary emphasis on social media engagement, but also provides a valuable tool for fostering a sense of community and entertainment. Users can test their knowledge, share their responses, and participate in a shared experience, contributing to a more vibrant and interactive online environment.